Australia's Foreign Minister has condemned chilling new vision which has surfaced online showing Uyghurs, a Turkic-speaking minority, blindfolded and shackled.
China doesn't want the world to see Xinjiang up close, to see the crackdown it calls an answer to terrorism.
The United Nations has said there are credible reports that at least 1 million Uyghurs are detained in Xinjiang's re-education camps.
Uyghurs are a Turkic Muslim group. They live in the northwestern territory of Xinjiang in China, a region that is rich in resources like oil, natural gas, and copper.
The Uyghur Muslims have little desire to assimilate into Han society due to their strong attachment to their cultural practices of Islam. Their reluctance to do so is met with reactions ranging from chauvinism to claims of ingratitude by the Han elite.
Innocent people subjected to cuffs on their hands, shackles, and black hoods over their heads.
Gulbahar Jalilova lives alone in a small apartment. The injuries she suffered in Chinese detention 2 years ago have healed, but she hasn't gotten over the memories.
And every day they would interrogate 15 or 20 of us with unbearable brutality. We are a people who've lost their freedom. We became their target because we'd studied religion and because we had influence in our society. They locked us up in jail. Then, after taking us to a camp, they'd tell us that we hadn't done anything wrong, that they were just educating us.
The Chinese say they are re-educating Uyghurs by teaching them Chinese and vocational skills. This is state media video. The detainees we interviewed and international researchers call it staged and scripted, a facade.
My mother disappeared into one of the China's prison camps, along with more than 1 million Uyghurs.
Full extent of Beijing's torture is finally coming into view now. The Chinese regime has literally given a license to Communist Party spies to sexually abuse Uyghur women. These men are staying in Uyghur homes, pairing up, as they call it, with Uyghur women and sleeping in their beds.
They want to eliminate us, but they can't kill all of us. It's not possible because the world is watching. So they're doing it step by step with policies like sterilization, imprisonment, or separating men and women and making them work as forced laborers.
Özüm tugulup ösken vatanda uruldum, sulandım, ülüş halatdaki adamdan şey akaldanlar.